You okay, Jade?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we made it to the top and I touched the dragon, so I'm blessed for 1,000 years.
We got everything we need right here.
Boys and girls, hello. We're still in Ninh Binh. Today we're heading to Tam Coc cave.
But before we're gonna head to have some breakfast at the hotel. It is so good here. It is a buffet breakfast. Yesterday we ate so much. There's like Asian food, like Vietnamese food, and these eggs and bacon and everything juice. I love it.
Okay, let's show you guys the breakfast.
Inside of our embassy, everything we need right here.
This is one of their dish. You have a pho. It's a typical Vietnamese meal that can be eaten at any time of the day. It's good at breakfast, at dinner, at supper. It's good anytime. And this one tastes real good. Guys, so we arrive at Hang Mua, which translate into cave and dancing. But what you guys need to know, it's the king used to, enjoy the dancing in the cave by all the charming lady that he used to have.
So we're visiting the caves of a pervert?
No. The king used to have, like show running for him, and it happened in the cave.
Why?
So just to correct the information, there are just show, okay? No striptease here back in the days. So we have two tickets here.
I was about to explain the price of the ticket, and
I think I shock our viewers and you.
And I'm like, why would he hide in caves to watch girls dance? That's just so weird. But anyway, the ticket's 100,000 dong per person, and there will be tons of people trying to stop you on the way to the ticket booth for parking. So my advice will be to not stop, because you have parking right after the ticket booth. It's 10,000 dong for a motorbike and 20,000 dong for a car, and you're right at the entrance instead of having to walk. So that will be my advice, but they will try to stop you. Just don't listen and keep going and say no.
Yeah, even if they put their hands on your motorbike.
It was so funny. There was this guy in front. He put his hands on Takyo's motorbike and tried to like direct him toward the parking lot, and Takyo just like and then he was like, go!
I was riding, and guys, I look Vietnamese, so they are less tempted.
And he's also like about twice the size of a regular Vietnamese.
I got tricked anyways. They really, they have some whistle, they act like security.
They look official.
Yeah, but just go straight to the end.
Look at all those people that have to walk all the way there.
Yeah.
Because they park somewhere else. They have to park down the road.
Okay, so enough of us chatting around. Let's go visit that cave, Jade.
Yeah, it's also a main viewpoint with the dragon on top of the mountain. So lots of people come here.
Hey, don't reveal everything. I still have footage to show on.
But big people already seen pictures of this place.
Yeah, probably.
Here, one, it's a viewpoint on top of the mountain. It's over there when you see the little pagoda looking thing.
Oh my god, yeah, this looks so high.
Yeah, now we have to climb all this, and there is also the cave part, which is on the other side. So we chose to do the viewpoint first.
If you guys watch some Asian movie, this you will remember. This is Journey to the West.
Yeah. So that's the master in red. The yellow, it's a monkey. It's the first disciple. He's really powerful. He's the monkey king. And you have the little porky, who's a pervert. He's the second disciple. And you have the third one at the back over here. And he used to be a monk. And the horse used to be a white dragon god from the sea. But now it became a horse as a punishment to serve the master here.
So guys, this is the road that we took all the way from there to here with our motorbike, and then you park somewhere there and we climb all these. So the river that you see leading from there, heading there, it's the Tam Coc boat ride that we're gonna probably take later on. She's afraid of the height. What she's doing here? Sợ coi chừng em trơn á, đá trơn á. Alright guys, I'm so happy to be here and
made it to the second dragon.
And I'm so happy Jade followed me here. It's not her type of thing. It's very high here.
I just wanted a bottle of water, okay? And then I came up and I was like, how am I gonna get down from this? Because I don't know if you guys seen the last few steps there, like
yeah. Actually, where we are, it's not in the path. We have to get out of the path to reach the dragon here that you guys will see it later when there's less people. But yeah, be careful when you get up here. A lot of people goes here. The rocks are slippery and the edge are sharp since this is some limestones.
They're really high.
But you are rewarded with a pristine view from the mountain, the rice paddy fields, all the green around. So we're officially in front of the Hang Mua, the Mua cave. Wow, it's so nice in here with the lights.
Yeah, you can see everything.
Oh my god guys, I just realized from the cave we just crossed an entire limestone. That's so nice.
Yeah, and now we're on the other side when there are all the rice fields. So green here. It's green.
Jade always find, you know, stuff to feed.
Look, they're all swimming toward here. It's so cute. Look, they're coming from far.
Oh my god.
Wow, they're so pretty.
Alright, so fresh nook mere, just ready to go.
Yeah, we just arrived at Tam Coc, the boat rides. So the entrance fees are 120,000 dong per person. The boats are 150,000 per boat. You can be up to 4 people on the boat, but for the 2 of us, we want the boat to ourselves, so it's gonna be a 390,000 dong total.
And the nook mere, it's 10,000.
Yeah, so we parked here for 10,000 the motorbike as well.
So last night Jade and I read a couple of things about this place here.
Yeah, that's why it was last on the list today, because that was our skippable thing to do.
Since we already did it in Chang'an.
Yeah, because apparently a lot of people don't have great experience here because of scams. Apparently when you get to the turnaround point with the boat, there are ladies on boat that try very hard to sell you. They're very pushy. They try to sell you snacks and drinks, and if you don't even want to buy for yourself, they ask you to buy as a tip to your driver, to your rower, and they force it on you and put it on your boat. So that's scam number 1. And then secondly, no matter what amount of tip you give to your rower, they will ask for double that price. So it makes, and they're really pushy about it apparently. So we were not sure it was gonna be an enjoyable experience. His channel has been so good, but we're still gonna try and tell you guys if it was like this or not.
Right. Come on.
It's really quiet now.
Yeah, it's really quiet right now.
I feel in the morning it's more busy, and in the afternoon it's really quiet.
You will survive. Wow, this guy is good. He's turning like 360 degrees whatever direction he needs to go.
Yeah, it's so crazy, so fast.
Oh, wow, she's good. She's rowing with her feet and she's taking pictures also.
Quite focused.
Are you ready?
Focus.
Okay. Tam means three and Coc means cavern. So actually there's three caverns. This one is the first one. Okay, the view up high, it's really worth it. You should stand up too, Jade.
Yeah, no. Comfortable this boat.
Yeah, Jade's
I'm like laying down here.
She's about to fall asleep now. Okay, interesting fact, guys. So there are two different techniques to row. You see the one with the lady behind me.
She row with her legs, which is really special, but that's a real technique from here in Tam Coc. And if you've seen the vlog from yesterday, Chang An, they row with their arms. It's because they're from all over Vietnam, and this is the local technique here, which is really, really special. But they used to not let them row like this when they first started this tourist attraction, and because they thought it was not polite or respectful toward the tourists. And then apparently people saw this and decided it was really, really special.
Like me.
Which is why now they allow them to row like they are used to.